Greetings everyone and welcome to another interesting video. Today we'll be discussing about another tiny little fella that is called the relay. Okay, this is the circuit relay. It is usually a point where your circuit, your light component, or a switch, or a switch component, or the ground of the battery and the main current from the battery is connected at a certain point. Okay, we can call this a breaker also. It works as a breaker or connecting point. Today I will be discussing with you guys how to connect this relay and how to make a new connections of this relay. If you are trying to put a fan in your car, or light in your car, or an external horn or anything in your car, you will be making a connection, a simple and separate connection for that component, whatever it is. It's a horn, or it's a light, or whatever it is. Okay, today first of all let us discuss about the 4 points. Okay, these are the main 4 points of the relay. I have drawn a circuit here. If you can see, a tiny circuit I have drawn here on this paper. You can see 86 and 85. These are the 2 points, 86 and 85. These are the 2 points where you will be connecting the ground or the positive current from the battery. Okay, these are the 2 points. It can either be coming from the switch, okay, the switch of the car, or from the terminal, the battery itself. Okay, these 2 points are the main current points. One is ground and one is the positive current. You can connect on either side. That doesn't matter. That doesn't have a specific side, or if you're thinking that you will connect positive here or negative here. After connecting these 2 points, the positive and the negative, we will be going to the third point. This is the third point of the relay. Okay, that will be number 30. You have to connect this point with 86, which is coming from the battery, the positive current from the battery. You will have to connect this point with the positive current from the battery. It can either be from the switch. You can connect to main ignition switch, because mostly in most of the cars, in most of the cases, the main current is coming from the switch. When you are turning on the ignition of your car, a current will pass, a positive current will pass to many components. Okay, you can connect that point here. If you don't connect this point, that the positive current with the point 30, if you don't connect this point, the point 30 to positive current, it can be either from the battery or from the main ignition switch, your relay won't be effective, it won't be working. Okay, after connecting this point, the left point, the last point which is left unconnected, that is the component point. You will connect the component with this point. It can be a light, it can be a horn, it can be some kind of gauge, or whatever you are connecting. This will be your positive current, which the outlet from the relay will be the positive current, and you will take the negative, the ground current from your car's chassis, or whatever. You can connect it with the battery, even with the ground of the battery. Okay, this in this way your circuit of this relay is complete, the 4-point relay. Okay, this is the tiny little fella, the 4-point relay. I hope this video will help many of you guys. I hope today's video was very informative for you guys. Subscribe my channel and like the video, share it with your friends and buddies, and give me a thumbs up for more interesting videos. See you in next upcoming video. Thank you.